Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the Redbubble account suspension because I have made a few of my videos talking about my Redbubble account suspension, and it has been really a long time and people have been asking me some questions that regarding the updates. Like, did I ever get my account back, or what's my perspective right now, what I think about the Redbubble and various things regarding it, because that two videos I was getting a lot of the comments after that. In fact, many few people were commenting on me on my videos to actually contact someone on the Instagram to get my account back. I really don't remember that person's name, but they were telling me, giving me the suggestions and saying that you could contact on someone on Instagram or contact this person or call this person or send them an email and blah 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 blah. You're gonna get your account back within 24 hours and all those things were happening in the background, but I haven't made a recent update video about my view about the Redbubble. So in this video I'm going to talk about this thing. So let's get straight with that video guys. And also, before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also, if you want the free print on demand guide which contains the 60+ niches ideas for making your own print on demand designs, then you can download that free guide. Link is in the description box below. Apart from that, if you want the free graphics for making your print on demand designs, I have a complete bundle, so you can download that bundle. The link of both these tools are in the description box below. You can download it very well. Now let's get straight with the main part of the thing. It's about my Redbubble account suspension. I guess I remember I made that video back in the December or in the January talking about Redbubble account suspension and why that happened. So if you want to check those videos out, you can check in the card section above guys. But I talk about that why was that happen, and I try to contact to the Redbubble, send them the messages via the Twitter, but I haven't received, like, I haven't got my account back, and also send them the emails, but nothing really happened after that. And so people tell me that you can get your account back if you do that, but to be frank guys, like, that was a big learning curve for me, because at the time I was uploading so much of the artwork, so much of the graphics and designs onto the Redbubble. Like, I was having almost thousands plus design onto the Redbubble, and they were selling well. I was getting many sales from that, and also I was getting a few of the comments, people telling me, did you actually made some money onto the Redbubble? Yes guys, I actually made money onto the Redbubble. And like, just before my account suspension, there was like a Black Friday sale, and there was in November and December when it's the peak season of the sales. I was getting so many sales from it, but I wasn't able to get my payout because of this Redbubble account suspension came in between and my account suspended. So I didn't get the money which I make from the sales that happen on my account. So yes, I got many sales from that. I made like in the October, November, December, I was getting so many sales from my Redbubble shop because I was uploading a lot many designs. I was having like 1,000+ designs in my shop, so it was a pretty good shop and was getting a good reviews, and many people were following me and all that. But suddenly this happened to me, and I could have get my account back if I might contact some person onto the Instagram. But I really don't know that. Is it 100% true? It is 100% transparency. But to be on the safer side, guys, I really believe in the going with the legal stuff. Like, I'm not saying that that person is illegal or the method he or she is trying is illegal. I'm not saying that, but I really don't know that company or that person who is trying to get the Redbubble account back. And is it really actually possible to get it that way? I really don't know about it. So I didn't go that route of contacting some XYZ person to get my Redbubble account back, because I really don't believe in that. I really don't know, is that really possible? Although I have contacted the Redbubble via the Twitter messages and also via the emails, they only said me they are working on it, they're gonna get it back, I'm gonna get my account back and blah 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 blah, but nothing really happened. And after that, I stopped trying. To be frank, I tried it for 3 to 4 times or 5 to 6 times. But after that, I just stopped trying. I just that, okay, Redbubble is a big deal if you are a print-on-demand seller, if you're an artist, you're making money on that. But I really came to a conclusion that if I'm just giving so much energy in getting my account back onto the Redbubble, but at the end of the day, it's again a third-party platform. Like, Of course, I want that account back. I really want that. But then I tried it 5 to 6 times and I see that I'm not getting anywhere from it. I'm really not getting anywhere of it. And if I'm giving my energy to something which is, again, I don't have the full control, then maybe I would end up into something which I really don't have full control, which I never wanted. Like, my first preference in doing this online business and starting with my online own business is just that I want to control my business. I want to control everything about my business. Like, I don't want to give the keys of my business to someone else, or give the things, or give the control of my business in somebody else's hand. I never want that. So that's why I tried few times to get my account back, and I could have tried more. I could have sent them more emails or more messages, but after sending few of them, I saw that nothing was happening there. I just waited for a month or so, but nothing really happened. Then I just move on. Like, some people might be thinking that, oh, it's not a good decision to do that. You could have worked for that. You could have actually contacted them again and again until you get your account back. They might be true, but I wasn't really into it because I tried for a month and then I just thought of moving on. Because if I'm giving my energy to completely to getting that account back, then I'm not focusing on my other part of the online business, which is my own business, which I control solely. So instead of giving my energy to something which is not in my hands, I would be preferable to give my control, to give my energy to something which is in my 100% control. So I hope it really makes some sense, guys. I really don't disagree with anyone out there. I really don't disagree with anyone. Everyone have their own opinion. And it's completely okay. It's completely fine to place your own opinions, to talk about your opinions. It's completely fine. But it's my opinion. It's my choice. Like, I started with this online business so that I can control my own life. I can control the things that is happening within my business. I don't want someone else to control my life or someone else to control my business. So I just tried for a month and so, and then nothing really happened. And then I just thought of just moving on from it and just focusing on the other aspects of the business, because I'm doing so many things on the side. I'm not just solely a print-on-demand seller. I am selling onto the Creative Fabric as well. I'm selling on the KDP. I'm selling on the various different platforms. I'm making the audiobook, the podcast, selling my magazine. There is so much going in the online space in my own business that I'm working on. If I'm giving my full energy to this one particular Redbubble, then I'm not doing justice to the rest part of my business. My 100% control. So why should I give my keys of my business to someone else's hand? So that's why I just thought of simply the moving on. You might not like that thing, but that's again my own perspective. Like, on the very first place, I started with this online business to control my life, to control my own career, to do the things that I want to do, and to not let anyone dictate my life, to not allow anyone to dictate my business and to control my business. So that's why I thought of just moving on. It's an update, guys. I'm updating you guys with my Redbubble account suspension because I've been getting a lot of the comments and people were asking me what happened next and what did you do and all that. So I thought it's better for me to make a video and talk to you guys that what actually happened, what's my views, what's my thoughts right now, and what I'm working on currently right now. Because my main focus is solely to control my own business. Like, I don't want anyone to dictate my career, to dictate my business. I really don't want that. And also someone else to dictate my life. Because being a human being, being a female, I really want that I have 100% control of my things. I don't want anyone to do that. So that's why I decided to just move on and just focus on. So guys, my main focus is to cover the money that I was making from the Redbubble shop by my other online business. I want to tell you guys, I'm making much more money from my other online business apart from that, just the Redbubble shop. I'm making way more money from my other businesses than just from the Redbubble shop. So that's what my main consideration, to just move on and to just focus on the other platform, other things that I have right now on my table, and to give my full attention, full energy to the things that are currently working on my table. So guys, that's my perspective. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. And also, if you have any question related to any of the videos that I'm making on my YouTube channel, related to any online business. If I can help you, leave all your questions in the comment section below, because I'm gonna make a Q&A video soon answering all your questions, because I've been getting a lot of the questions related to various different topics. So I'm gonna answer all those questions. So leave all your questions in the comment section below. I'm gonna make a Q&A video soon to answer all those questions. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful, you really find it worth watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.